Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 12 Pro, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. Now to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM ejector like this one, which comes provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, trim out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which you do need to take the case off of your phone for that. The tray is located at the bottom of your device. You'll see two different insert pins. You want to utilize the one that is part of this cutout. Push the pin in, and as you can see, the tray will come out ever so slightly, enough for you to grab it and pull it out. On the tray you have space for just SIM cards on either side. You can occupy both of them or just one. So I'm gonna place my card on here. There we go. And from there you can insert it back into your phone. Now the card should start working right away. So it looks like I already have reception right here. Now if I wait a little bit longer, it will give me this kind of message from provider OK, which is just weird. But anyway, that is how you'd insert your SIM card. No extra steps needed unless you have a pin. You'll then need to confirm it, but I don't, so it automatically starts working. Now with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.